guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by, taking a few minutes of your day to spend it with me, clicking on this video, seeing what's up. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, maybe by the end of this video you can hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I am wearing the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadows Holy Grail. We did receive this in a boxy Luxe last year in December. I do like this palette for fall and winter, but that is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. And then I'm wearing a little bit of the Pixie by Petra, the Watermelon Veil, and some of the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Patina Shimmer. So that is what I'm wearing on my lips and on my eyes today. I just wanted to get that out of the way. I am bringing y'all a new video from a new company that I have started using, and don't know if many of y'all know about it. If not, I'm glad that I get to bring it to you. So the company I'm talking about is JUNO CO. This is how your box will arrive with your order. It is a pull tab, as you can see. Inside tells you greetings from San Francisco, California, and there is a layer of bubble wrap. So I did make 3 orders from this company, and I am loving it. I'm going to show y'all exactly what I got and tell you how much I paid for it and the great bargains that you can get. When you open your box, you will receive a little pamphlet that looks like this. Inside, it does have the cute little women that is on my wall now because I find it that cute. You do get your invoice with every order. The palette that I ordered first was the JUNO CO Perfect Me Cheek Defining Kit in Cherry Bomb. This is the outer part. It is very pretty. These face palettes are beautiful. This is the lighter face palette. There are 2 highlighters, a contour, and a blush. I have been using these. They are so soft. There is the little cherry bomb engraved in there, and then the little cherries. So this is that contour shade. This is the light highlighter. This is that blush. And then this is that golden highlighter in there. So that is what those look like. It's not the best swatches, but it is pretty. It is what I'm wearing today on my face. The highlighter is stunning. The contour is pretty. That highlight is amazing. But when you order it, it does come in a box, and I've never seen another company do this. This box was inside of this bubble bag to protect it. As you can see, I've never seen another company do this. I thought this was amazing. My palette did not get broken. And then I ordered the JUNO CO Moonshine Miracle Cream. So this cherry bomb and this cream was a holiday ready bundle. Together this was $49. I did use a discount code. This saved me $4.90. So my complete total for this was $44.10. Not too bad for a bomb face palette. And then a Miracle Blur Primer. My next order was the Double the Fun bundle, where you got 4 sponges. You got 2 of the blue ones and 2 of these white ones, which are called the Cloud. And I've got 2 of these and 2 of these, and my price for this was $15. You can't beat 4 sponges for $15, and they're so soft. They come out, they're really fuzzy, really soft. When you get them wet, they do plump up, of course, like with all sponges. They are cut in different segments, and they feel amazing. And I think that they do save on some of your product. It didn't seem to soak up as much product as, say, my Real Techniques sponge. So I got that, and then I got the Bombshell Perfectionist Sculpting Palette. This is for darker skin tones. That is the cover of it. I think it is pretty. Very pretty. It came the same way in the packaging as the Cherry Bomb. And there is that palette. Your blush, your contour, your 2 highlights. So let's go ahead and show y'all them. I do like the little imprints in there. In this one, you can tell there's a high heel. In the last one, of course, there was cherries. So this is the contour. That sparkly highlighter. The golden champagne highlighter. And then the blush. So there are those colors. Like I said, they are very pretty. They are for the darker skin tone. There was the lighter ones. And for this palette, I paid $16.50 for. Amazing, amazing price. The only thing I can say about these palettes is that the names of them are on the back of the boxes. Not that that really matters to a whole lot of us. I mean, I know sometimes we're on here explaining what we're wearing and we'd like to tell people the names. But there's only 4 things in there. It's either the shiny, sparkly highlighter, the golden highlighter, contour, and blush. So, it wasn't that big of a thing. But just so you know. The next thing I ordered was the JUNO CO Blur Powder Duo. This came with a brush. And then this is the powder. It is very full. I mean, we get some powders that look like they are half empty. This one is not that way. And it does have the little built-in screen. It is a blurring powder. And it is translucent. I like it. It feels amazing. And I've been using it for a few days now. So, okay, so we got the 4 sponges, the face palette, the powder, and the brush in this order. And my subtotal for this order was $61.50. I got a discount code. Saved myself $12.30. So it came out to $49.20, which isn't bad. Then the last thing that I ordered was the Clean Up Your Act Solid Cleansing Bar. I ordered 2 of these. They are $4.50 a piece, so for $9, I got 2 cleansing bars. I got the Brush Off Brush Dry Cleaner. It's a color switch. And then on the inside, it's a guaranteed to get the color off. And this is magnetic. It is washable, reusable. You lay flat to dry. Simple, easy peasy, done deal. Then I got the microfiber velvet mini sponge. And these were a free gift. I didn't purchase these. They show 000, so free gift. Can't beat that. Then, of course, I ordered another jar of the Moonshine Cream, Blurring Miracle Cream. This one is not opened. When you order that, this is how it comes. This is the box. Very pretty box. Very aesthetically pleasing. JUNO CO on top. You open it up. You got it glowing on. Apply cream to face and neck with a gentle massage until fully absorbed. Baby, you're a star. And then it just falls open to your amazing cream. And I have been using this for a little while. I think it's the best primer I have tried to date. So, if you have not tried it, you should totally check it out. But with that, that cream was $26.25. A little pricey, but you get a good amount. I mean, it's a nice size. So, I was okay with that. And your brush with my powder, this is the brush component, and it's a soft brush. I have washed it. None of the hairs have frayed. It's a very super soft brush. I really like that brush. And then the last thing I ordered was the Glam can. So in this little can right here, first of all, super cute. You get 2 sponges, the can itself, a cleansing bar, and a sponge holder. It even has the top little pull tab decoration. But in here, you get one of the microfiber velvet sponge that looks like this. And then you get this little guy in there, which I think is a super awesome deal. This is the sponge holder. Very cute. Rose gold. And then you get the cleansing bar, which I've already showed. And of course, the can itself. And this is $14 retail. So I think it's very much worth the price you pay for it. Besides all the goodies that you get in there, it makes a really cute decoration. But for that order, my order subtotal was $53. With the discount code that I found, it was $10.60 off, which left me with $42.40 for that order. And I don't know if I said it already, but this company does do afterpay payments, which, come on girls, we all need afterpay. But yeah, if you have tried JUNO CO's products, do comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on them. If you're going to, also comment down below and let me know what you're wanting to try. My shirt, I know you can only read part of it, says proud supporter of messy hair and sweatpants. Just because you can only read the top, I thought I would let y'all know what it said. But again, as always, thank you for taking the time to stop by, check out what I have to say. I do hope that you tried this company out. I think they're really amazing. Their products are great. Like I said, I am wearing their products on my face today. And the highlighter is just amazing. The contour is amazing. The blush, I think it's all perfect. I found this with another YouTuber who I've been watching for a while and had watched her use it over and over and wanted to try it out myself. So thank you again for stopping by. Please do hit that like button or hit the dislike button, either way. Also hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Come back and see all of the things that I'm putting out. And as always, until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye.